In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country in X, Twitter. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Type in the address https://x.com and hit enter. You will be directed to the main page of X. This is the platform where you will manage your account settings. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your personal settings. If you are not logged in yet, please enter your login credentials. This step is crucial because without being logged in, you won't be able to make any changes to your account. Once you are logged in, look towards the left sidebar of the screen. You will see several options available to you. Locate the button that says More and click on it. This will expand additional menu options that allow you to navigate to various account settings. This step is important because it helps you access the sections where you can make specific changes to your account. After you click, take a moment to observe the new options that appear below the More section. From there, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. This action takes you to a new page filled with various settings related to your account. Here, you can manage everything from your privacy settings to your account details. It is essential to familiarize yourself with this area as it contains important tools to help you customize your experience on X. You will notice a variety of subsections listed on the left side of the screen which will guide you through the settings available. Next up, select the Your Account option from the list of settings. Once you click on this, you will be taken to a section that specifically deals with your account information. This is where you can manage personal details such as your email, phone number, and country settings. Understanding where to find this information is vital. It empowers you to keep your account updated and secure. After that, click on Account Information. This section shows you all the details related to your account. Here you can review your current settings and make necessary updates. It is designed to provide a comprehensive overview of your account. Take a moment to look around and get comfortable with the layout. This familiarity will help you navigate efficiently in the future. At this point, you may be prompted to enter your X password. This is a security measure to ensure that only you can make changes to your account. Enter your password carefully and click Submit. This step is critical because it protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you enter your password, you will be taken to the next step seamlessly. Now look for the option labeled Country and select it. This will open up a list of countries for you to choose from. You will see a variety of options displayed on your screen. Take your time to scroll through the list and find the country you wish to select. Choosing the correct country is important. It may affect your content preferences and overall experience on the platform. Once you have made your selection, click on Agree and Continue. This action confirms your choice and updates your account settings accordingly. You should see a confirmation message appear on the screen reassuring you that the changes have been successfully made. This step finalizes your modifications and ensures that your new preferences are in effect. And that's it. You have successfully changed your country on X. This process is straightforward and ensures that your account reflects your current preferences. Thank you for watching and enjoy your time on the platform.